Hello guys, welcome back to my video, my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Kim Kardashian's attempt to escape after Max lawsuit. Last year, a millionaire socialite Kim Kardashian promoted a scammy Ethereum-based coin salad. Max was promoted on Instagram. While abetting the class action lawsuit, Kardashian is defending her innocence in the case. On Friday, her lawyers filed a motion in a California U.S. District Court to try and have the complaint against her dismissed. In Kim Kardashian's defense, after 1 year of the Max promotion, Kim Kardashian is still battling the lawsuit which allegedly promoted the pump and dump tokens. According to Friday's filing, Kim Kardashian's defense Instagram posts, and in those posts, the celebrity didn't give enforcement at fees, as she claims. In Friday's filing, Kim Kardashian's position is that token buyers are only relying on two of her Instagram posting. She elaborates that in this post, she didn't have over enforcement at fees. As a tokens, a buyer had found a specialist that they saw Kim Kardashian post ahead of time or book the mix tokens because of the post. Crazily, no named plaintiff alleged that they in fact viewed either Instagram post before purchasing tokens during the relevant time period. It is said in the filing. Additionally, they clarified in the post that it was not financial advice, which may or may not be of assistance here. Moreover, platforms like Instagram and Twitter are laden with powerfully and aggregation, says the ordinary consumer should know that they are not trustworthy source of financial advice, was written in Celebrity's defense. Searched by mixed investors, carefully, several investors said Kim Kardashian, including both Floyd Mayweather and former basketball star Paul Pierce. According to the lawsuit, the plaintiffs experienced investment losses and attribute them to celebrity social media posts both Ethermax. Celebrity shared to her 228 million followers audience at the time, a big announcement via an Instagram story where she still cares about Emacs tokenomics. Edromex is a token that no one knew anything about until celebrities promoted. It runs on anything about until celebrities promoted it. It runs on Ethereum which holds thousands of altcoins but doesn't appear to have any utility at the time of writing. The coin is trading as low according to CoinMarketCap. Why should you why you should care? Influencers have the power to invite investors to invest, as many individual investors are still investing based on emotion and hype, while having an enormous audience. Influencers unwillingly can't drag their followers into investing in mindless pump and dump schemes. Equator Philip shares a news term Twitter tip jar Binance reactives Doge Binance to support a fake tea, and Kim Kardashian has been reported to the SEC for profiting from the Ethereum scam. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to support me with like, comment, share, and subscribe.